Welcome to the 4th MobMade Games Developer Update. This week, we made a variety of small improvements throughout Descendants. We got a start on the user interface for Descendants, and cleaned it up a little bit. The UI will still go through several more iterations before the alpha, and the art is still placeholder, but it's starting to show the information we want to be visible for different ships. In the Unit Details panel, in the bottom right, you can see the defense and attack points of your current ship, as well as their remaining action points. You can press Tab to cycle between your ships, or you can click on their portraits in the bottom left. Or, when you expend all of the available action points for the current ship, Control will automatically cycle to the next ship in your fleet. At the bottom of the screen, there are a variety of actions available for the selected ship. We'll talk more about these and the rest of the UI in future updates. In a previous video, you saw our idea for orbiting ship placement, using a weight-based repulsion algorithm to evenly space ships around stars. Now, when multiple ships are at one system, they'll space out so that they don't overlap one another. Thanks to Paul Dante for suggesting that we prevent the ships from moving too near to the poles, we added an invisible polar repulsor to keep ships near the equator. As part of this update, we changed rotation to be around the current solar system, rather than around the current ship, and the sensor bubble now moves to the solar system's position to more accurately reflect your sensor range. We also updated movement to use spline-based animations, which are an improvement on the previous system. Not only do they look better, but they preserve the orientation of the moving ship, which helps keep players oriented when navigating in 3D space. In future builds, we will expand upon this further by incorporating inverse kinematics into our animations. As always, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, crash with us on Couchsurfing, and follow us on YouTube. And most importantly, give us your feedback with a comment, and we might just use your suggestion in the final game.